your PC won't boot normally. Safe mode might be your only lifeline. Safe mode is a diagnostic startup mode in Windows that loads only the essential drivers and services the operating system needs to run. Think of it as a stripped-down version of Windows. No graphics drivers, no startup apps, no third-party services. Just the bare minimum to get you a working desktop. The primary purpose of safe mode is troubleshooting. When your computer is crashing, freezing, or showing the blue screen of death, normal mode might not even load. Safe mode gives you a stable environment where you can investigate the root cause. Check event logs, run diagnostic tools, and figure out exactly what went wrong. Because safe mode only loads Microsoft's built-in drivers, it's the perfect way to isolate whether a problem is caused by third-party software or a bad driver. If your PC runs fine in safe mode, but crashes in normal mode, something you installed is almost certainly to blame. Safe mode also lets you remove malware or stubborn software that blocks its own uninstallation when Windows is fully loaded. To access safe mode, press F8 during startup, hold Shift and click Restart from the login screen, or enable it through misconfig. Safe mode is your go-to for Windows troubleshooting. Minimal drivers, maximum diagnostic power. Like and subscribe for more IT support essentials. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.